now on, I'll do the robbing. So you are Fra Diavolo. It's true you've never seen my face, but you've heard my voice. On yonder rock reclining, Diavolo. On yonder rock reclining, Diavolo, the bandit stands. In his hand his carbine holds.
Is that rain or the trees? Oh. Ooh, under the spooky bridge. Oh, it's flooded already. Oh, that doesn't look very well, does it? Oh, I can see it already and smell it too. Oh, yeah. Oh dear. I love how these floods just seem to just move around. They never seem to stop. Every single time it rains, somewhere in the village floods, and they fix the drains, and then it floods somewhere else. That's pretty bad. Where the hell is all that coming from? Yeah, I noticed. Oh, you stepped right into the gully.
I didn't know it was going to be that deep.
Oh, yeah. Pretty deep, alright.
Look how fast it's going.
We got our own little river now. Oh, bloody hell. Drain. Well, I wonder why it floods so much around here. Lovely. And of course a jail. More flooding. Oh, that'd be from the little river Clydach that comes through Longford. Well, no, I suppose Maybe it's just the water that didn't make it to the river Clydach. Oh, well, it looks like the pavement's clear at least. The road's blocked off though. Looks like it was probably a lot worse earlier based on the... Oh, that explains all the really deep puddles everywhere. I've never seen down here flood before. There's plenty of drains and rivers around here, canals. Weird. Must be the dip in the road. Oh, it looks like it's cleared up now anyway. Haha, you hate it when she does that. Catches you proper off guard, doesn't she? Oh. Oh, it looks like Talbot's doing its burn off at night again, releasing lots of heavy metals into the air and turning the sky red. There's more red light behind it, I assure you. Is that not right, Bindi Badgie? Yes, but Talbot, scum, 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 scum.
Call them.
Huh?
Look at the creepy trees left green. They're fucking big ones, isn't they?
Yeah. Well, we've made it past the hill that normally gives me a good asthma attack. So far, so good. No. Oh, you're right. They do have to have the gates open at night. Oh. Well, let's just creep ourselves out for a minute then. Yeah. Bat. Oh. Suppose my camera can't appreciate the beauty of the carved rock. Maybe you can see that bat. Maybe. The dog sees it. Oh, yes, she does. There he is. He's got a friend. I think my camera is kind of picking it up.